Welcome to Jade SOFTECH. Let's we discuss about SAP ABAP question and answer. What is ITS in SAP? What are the merits of ITS? Internet Transaction Server in SAP is the necessary link between the Internet and the SAP R/3 system. It is integrated into the kernel that belongs to SAP NetWeaver application server. ITS creates an interface between the R/3 system and HTTP server for converting screen provided data by the R/3 system into HTML files and vice versa. Because of integration with ITS, a web browser is able to do direct communication with an SAP system. ITS is asserted with the help of Internet Communication Manager. Possible to develop and test the comprehensive web transaction in the R/3 system. It acts upon all transaction components, including those components used outside of ITS. In the R/3 system, using automatically language processing, utilization of language dependent HTML documents can be done during runtime. Thank you.